That was so good.
And it's also, too, like, you can be like, no, that's not real. Like, that doesn't affect me, or it does. And I think that also, like, solidifies.
And I think that there's also some truth or something in the, oh, that doesn't affect me. Because sometimes when we're really quick to resist it,
yeah, it's like the first thing that like got.
They're like, oh, that doesn't affect me. I
like a cold breeze, dating no more Spanx. It just gets
like, oh no, that doesn't affect me. That's not me.
Yeah, a little bit, just a little bit.
Too funny.
Well, let me ask you, why did you agree to come out to the beach on like a 20-degree day? You know, because it was a little, you know, and I'm asking everyone this because it was more along the lines of like, it doesn't bother me ever if people say no. So I always just ask like freely all the time, and I'm always like so surprised like when people do end up like saying yes. I'm like, what made you do it? Like, why?
Well, I mean, I pretty much approach anything in my life as just, like, if it feels expansive or not.
Mm-hmm.
So when you first, like, told me about the project, I really didn't know what it was, to be honest.
Well, it's figuring it out as it goes along, too. You know what I mean? Like, obviously it's a lot different of a place now than when I first met you.
Yeah. So when I first got it, I was like, I don't really know what this is, but I like you, and it sounds interesting, and let me just try it. And for me, it was about, like, I really liked the idea that, like, it was, like, at the end of the day, and, like, kind of, like, the little gift back was going to be my meditation.
Yeah.
And for me, right now, at the point I'm at, I'm really enjoying, like, taking into that space more. I spent kind of, like, a winter in hibernation, working on a lot of things like my book and getting website and getting content up and doing lots of one-on-one clients. And now I'm kind of in my spring of that, and like doing lots more of events, speaking at things, going to different events and doing guided meditations. So it's been something that like I've been just more apt to say yes to, and I'm like really about it. So when those opportunities come up and it sounds cool. And for me particularly, I like the fact that I knew the people that were going to be there weren't going to be the typical people that come to my workshops.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's great to be able, because a lot of times I've found, like, when I do interesting things like this, they're kind of, like, off my beaten path.
Mm-hmm.
I get a whole new group of people interested in it that might not have even, like,
exposed to it
or thought of it before.
Yeah, that was one thing I said to you, like, I really think, you know, and I understand that you kind of, your audience was kind of what dictated initially the way that you approached it, because it makes sense. Like, whoever is the one showing up is who you kind of cater to.
Yeah.
But I think that especially with the things that you talk about, the physical things that people can do to help them gain focus and, like, emotionally center themselves when everything else around them is kind of going crazy.
Yeah.
Everyone can identify.
Oh, yes, everyone. Yeah. For sure. I think everybody can relate to it, and the tools are going to be valid for everyone, and it's just a matter of that point at the people that resonate with me, personally.